Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, 5 a.m. Just woke up. I'm on this path to trying to make $100 a day on Merch by Amazon or $3,000 a month. I'm starting to get kind of close. The other day I did 189, and then on the second I did 84, but all the other days are kind of like 70, 30, so not there yet. But if it was easy, everybody would do it. It's going to take consistency, hard work, dedication. So let's go. Let's get it. All right, so I just got done fulfilling my Etsy orders, and here are my stats from yesterday. One thing I just want to quickly share with you guys is, and I'll make a video about this probably towards the end of the month, but the beginning of this month, I stopped offering free shipping. I was a big advocate of free shipping on Etsy. I'd always recommend that people do it because it'll basically rank you higher in the rankings, get you on the first page. It's going to help your conversion rate. But lately I've been like, you know what, I'm gonna try something different, and I started charging shipping, and I'm getting $5 an order now, sometimes $6 if it's international extra, and I'm still getting the same amount of sales. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out, but so far so good, and I'm gonna keep charging for shipping on Etsy. All right, so I'm about to start uploading onto Merch by Amazon, and I had someone message me or make a comment on one of my videos the other day asking me or telling me that basically, he was uploading every day for a week, 2 weeks, but he just started to get burnt down. He asked me what I do to keep myself motivated. And right before I start to upload, I put on this playlist. I actually have it on my channel. You can go to my playlist on my channel and you'll see it. And it's basically just all these videos about discipline. Just kind of helps motivate me to get through, the hour of uploading merch designs. Because yes, it can get, kind of monotonous and just every day is the same. But, I have to do these things to be able to reach my goals. So if you're interested, check out this playlist. I think it will help you. It has helped me. All right, guys, so it's almost 7 a.m. I've been uploading for about an hour or so. You can see here I have 108 designs. I think I uploaded 12 designs for both black and white t-shirts. I do have 2 sales that came in, a big whopping 90 cents. So going to get ready and go down to McDonald's and do some more uploading. All right, let's get it. All right, so today is Saturday and I'm pumped up because today is cheat day. I've been following my diet to a T this past week, 6 days in a row, been eating the same thing twice a day, every day, basically steak and eggs with some vegetables and some fruit. And I'm pumped up because today I get to break my diet. Basically, I'm gonna go eat some Mickey D's and I'm gonna go have breakfast with my mom. And I'm going to go take Denise and Max out to a restaurant. I don't know where exactly we're gonna go. Maybe seafood. We're just gonna have to wait and see. But I'm gonna take you guys along with the ride and show you what I'm eating on this epic cheat day. Let's go. All right, so I figured I would stop by the beach, show you how the waves are looking this morning. Looks like there's a guy fishing. Maybe he caught something. I think Puerto Vallarta actually was kind of known as a fishing village right when it started. You can see how nice it is. I didn't do my meditation this morning, so I can do a quick little meditation, walking meditation on the beach. But this is one of the nicest times of the year here, actually. Last month, February, March, April, those 3 months, every day it's just beautiful like this, not a cloud in the sky. About 80 degrees, not too hot, pretty close to perfect. And it's also whale season too. Maybe we'll see a whale. I've seen them the past couple weeks I've been out here. So this is the first cheat meal of the day. I got an egg McMuffin with bacon. It was actually new on the menu. Comes with a hash brown. Got a large coffee with lots of sugar and ketchup. And while I ate this, I was actually watching Philip Anders' new video, my favorite merch YouTuber. And the actual McMuffin was so good that I actually had to go back and get another one. So this is the second one right here. So lots of calories to start off the day. All right, guys, so I just got done uploading some more designs at McDonald's, and I'm going to walk down the boardwalk here and meet my mom to have some more breakfast. The cheat day continues. Let's go.
So this is a restaurant that I took my mom out to. It is called El Dorado. It's very nice, right on the beach. Kind of fancy, a little touristy, but this is what it looks like. You can see it's right on the beach. Got these nice palapas. This is the menu. Really good stuff. Not the cheapest, but definitely worth it. Really good. And you know, I had to start off with my chocolate croissant like I always like to get, with a coffee with lots of sugar because it is my cheat day. And then after that, my mom, she got really good, I think it was a pan brioche avocado with a poached egg, a little caviar on top. You can see how nice it looks, and there she is explaining what it is that she got, and that's very healthy. And then I, of course, had to get my famous chili Chili's, which looked really nice. It had chicken, it had eggs, sour cream, definitely a 10 out of 10. A little small, but still really enjoyed it. And then the bill came, and it actually wasn't too expensive. It was only 500 pesos, which is pretty good for breakfast on the beach at a fancy place, you know, right in Puerto Vallarta in the touristy town. So overall, had a great time.
Okay, so I just want to do a quick sales update. It's 3:10 in the afternoon, and actually kind of having a slow day. Only 9 sales, $14 in royalties, but no big deal. That's just the way it goes. Sometimes it's a really good day, sometimes it's kind of a slow day. But the good thing is that I'm actually having a good day on Etsy. So I have 5 orders, $117 in revenue. And remember, I'm charging shipping, so that's $25 just in shipping. Then you can add on whatever the margins are for each order. So, you know, merch is kind of slow today, but Etsy is picking things up. Hey, Max, where are we going?
Marina.
What are we gonna do in La Marina?
Eat
Eat what?
cheese.
Okay.
So here we are at the marina. It's a very nice part of town here in Puerto Vallarta. You can see all the boats. They even actually have a crocodile that is usually there that Max likes to see. But this is a restaurant that we went to. It's Italian. The seafood one that we wanted to go to was actually closed. And I was actually pretty surprised with this restaurant. It was the first time that we went to it. It was a lot better than I expected. These are 2 bruschettas that we got to start off. Good. Maybe a little too much basil, but they definitely hit the spot. So for the most part, pretty good. And then the food came, so Max got his margarita pizza that he always gets, which was good. He ate it pretty quickly. And I got this pesto, and when I first saw it, I was like, that's it, but it was actually really good. It hit the spot, 220 pesos. And then Denise was waiting for her caprese salad, which is that one right there. And I didn't try it, but she said it was really good. So for the most part, really good food. Definitely surprised. Had to play with Max a little bit, keep him occupied while Denise ate. And then I believe the bill came, and it was 1,000 pesos, so about $60. I did leave a 200 peso tip, but overall we were very satisfied.
All right, so it is 9:53, almost 10 o'clock. I'm about to go to bed. Just want to do a quick sales update for the day. So I ended up doing 30 sales, 3 returns, $41 in royalties. That's going to put me at 418 sales for the month, $612. And I was actually able to do 270 uploaded, which is going to put me only about 2.2% away from being at 80%, which will help me get tiered up. Right now I'm a tier 8,000 seller, and I think I need to get to 6,400 designs, so I'll probably get there maybe within 7 to 10 days. So that is exciting. Now let's go ahead and go over my habit tracker for the month of March. And if you've been following me on my channel, you know that this habit tracker has been helping me so much. I highly recommend that you do one. I got this on Etsy. It's only $1, so you can just print it out and you can have it for each month of the year. But let's go ahead and see how I did. So today I did wake up at 5 a.m. I did not hit the gym. Let's see, I did not fast either. Actually, I did have sugar, I did have processed foods, but I did stay sober, do that every day. I'm about to pray right now. I did not meditate, I did not make my bed, but I did have lime water. So, you know, not my best day, but Saturday is a cheat day, and I'm actually pretty proud of myself because you could see last month, or not last month, but the beginning of this month, I messed up on my diet and I was able to get right back into it, and I did 6 days straight of fasting, no sugar, no processed foods, and did 5 days straight in the gym. So I was glad to achieve that. And then I also have a habit tracker for work, so 25 designs, I did that. I did do a YouTube video, I did do a YouTube short, I did a YouTube post, I also did 2 Instagram posts. I think I did everything except for Etsy. So I did a TikTok video, I did a TikTok photo, but Etsy listings, been slacking on that. I'm just not really focused on Etsy right now. Probably should have left that off, but I was just trying to get the habit tracker filled out. As you can see, this is how I'm doing for the month for work, and this is how I'm doing for the month just on my regular life habits. All right, so that's going to be it for today's vlog. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.